The beauty,
You are beautiful. You are perfect, just the way you
are. We were doing this, and I thought it might be cool if we then did this guy, which is the other one, so that you could do a fountain between the two. Which is, it's fun, but also it just opens up things because then you have the other opposite direction. This one will be left hand overhand, right hand underhand. And we're going to do the underhand pattern. So if you were to look at the underhand weave, what you're doing is you're taking the top hand, bringing it home and crossing it under. Top hand home, crossing under. Top hand home and crossing under. And just like with the overhand weave where there's 2 beat weaves, there's 2 beat weaves with the underhand weave too, right? This is the right on top, and then this is the left on top. So we can do the same thing in opposite direction where the left hand is overhand and the right hand is underhand. So let's start off with the prep drills. First, left over, right under, same time, where you cross the left on bottom, like this. So the right hand is underhand, left hand is overhand. The right hand is on top, left hand is on bottom in the same time. Left hand overhand, right hand underhand. And now cross them both, left underneath the right. And then once you do left on bottom, right on top, you want to switch them so that you're doing not that, so that you're doing right on bottom, left on top. Yeah, both arms cross at the same time. Right, so still this with your right hand. It's still this thing that you were doing, but now you do it under the left arm instead of over the left arm. So the 2 prep drills are the crossover drills where the right is on top and where the right is on bottom in same time. Now we can turn those both into 2 beat weaves. So if you're in split time, you can do it where the right crosses on top and the left crosses underneath in split time. So split time, opposite direction. And this is the other one where the right goes underneath.